Hi guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change control center in Xiaomi Redmi device or how you can turn on new control center. Basically the control center is this bar, and after updation this Redmi has new control center. The method is too easy. Before continuing the video, do subscribe us and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from this channel, and also comment us for further tips and tricks. Okay, now firstly go to the settings and we have an option of notification and control center here. Then all you guys have to do, just scroll down and just select control center style. We have two styles here. The first one is old version and the second one is new version. By the way, my Xiaomi Redmi device is on old version. All I have to convert it to the new version, just to click on new version, and that's it. My control center is now changed to this. The text on this is pull down the status bar on the left to view the notification. It means the left to view the notifications. See, this is how we can change control center style. If this video helped you guys, so don't forget to like us and subscribe us. That's it about the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Just follow us for more interesting videos and comment down for further tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.